Stephanie, you're unmuted. Do you have a question for us?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Stephanie. Thank you for
Oh,
joining us.
thank you. Yes, I realized what I had to do there. I had to press that green microphone button.
Sure thing. Where are you calling in from, Stephanie?
I'm calling from Brisbane, Australia.
We love Australia.
Very
We have
nice.
so many users in Australia and the UK, as well as Canada, the US, and all over the world. And we love having these international relationships. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you for hosting this webinar. My question was related to the SEOs, and that question was answered pretty much previously, because a lot is said about SEOs and but posting articles and original articles, I think, is the key.
Absolutely. Posting original articles, but posting them with intent. You want to choose things that you think other people in your industry would be encouraged to share. So listicles go a long way because they're easy to write. You just start with an opening paragraph, 5 ways to do X, Y, and Z. You list the points, maybe some subpoints, and then you end with a closing statement and a question. What are some other ways you would do X, Y, and Z to get the comments going? And then those are good articles to share on both social media, and long term, they'll do good for you for search engine optimization.
Yeah, but ultimately you got to make sure that these listicles, these blog articles, have content in them that people want to read, that they want to know about. You could spend an hour writing a blog post, but if it's only about something that only you care about, that maybe not a large group of people would actually care about, then unfortunately that would end up being a waste of time. So really make sure that these blog posts, these articles, are targeted to your target demographic, your target audience, the people who you want to turn into members.
Right. Well, there's two people. There's members, and there's also the consumers, the visitors who are coming to the site. In some cases, it might be a B2B website, business to business, but you want to make sure you write articles that attract both sides of the directory.
Exactly.
And also the other thing is to invite your own members to be posting their articles or blogs as well, I think.
Yeah, so the Brilliant Directories platform not only allows you to have a separate company blog section, but your members can also contribute articles in the member articles section. And the idea is the way to encourage your members to publish articles and say, hey, the more articles you publish, we'll promote those articles, and it's going to make you look like an industry expert. And if you look like an industry expert, probably clients or whoever your customers are going to want to contact you first before other people. So it's a good way for your members to make them seem like an authoritative figure in the industry that they serve.
Yeah, going back to these keys, it's all about building relationships, whether it's with an outside industry icon or it's with one of your members. You want to build synergetic relationships.
Yeah.
All
Thank
right,
you very
Steph.
much.
Well,
Thank
thank
you
you
very
very
much.
much. We're so happy to have you from Australia.
Thanks a lot.